This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about street markets. Are there many street markets in your country?
Yes, there are plenty of street markets in my country, especially in cities. They're popular for fresh produce, unique crafts, and affordable items, attracting both locals and tourists alike.
When was the last time you went to a street market?
I visited a street market last weekend. It was vibrant with stalls selling fresh fruit, handmade jewelry, and tasty snacks. I enjoyed browsing and found a beautiful scarf at a great price.
Do you prefer to go shopping in the shopping mall or on the street market?
I prefer street markets because they feel lively and offer unique items at reasonable prices. However, shopping malls are better for convenience and comfort, especially when the weather isn't good.
What do people usually buy on the street market?
People often buy fresh food, like vegetables and fruits, as well as clothes, accessories, and local handicrafts. Street markets also sell delicious street food, making them popular for snacks and quick meals.
What do you like most about visiting street markets?
I love the lively atmosphere and the variety of unique, handmade products. It's exciting to find great bargains, interact with friendly sellers, and enjoy freshly cooked street food while exploring.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a person you know who leads a healthy lifestyle. You should say who this person is, what they do to stay healthy, how you know them, and explain why you think they have a healthy lifestyle.
One of the healthiest people I know is my friend Sarah. She's in her early 30s and works as a yoga instructor. Sarah has always been passionate about maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. She believes in the importance of nurturing both the body and the mind, which is evident in the way she lives her life. To stay healthy, Sarah follows a strict daily routine. She begins each morning with an hour of yoga, focusing on flexibility and mindfulness. In addition to her physical exercise, she's very careful with her diet. She consumes a variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, ensuring that her meals are both nutritious and satisfying. She avoids processed foods and sugary snacks. Sarah also drinks plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and boost her energy levels. I met Sarah a few years ago at a local yoga class, and we quickly became close friends. At that time, I was overwhelmed with work and had just gone through a breakup. I felt very down and didn't cook. Instead, I mostly ate junk food or takeout. She helped me calm down and guided me in organizing my thoughts to relieve my stress. She also cooked delicious and nutritious meals for me, which helped me eat healthier and stay energetic. I believe Sarah leads a healthy lifestyle because she has found a perfect balance between physical fitness, mental relaxation, and proper nutrition. She is full of energy, always positive, and uses her unique methods to influence and help her friends live healthier lives.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of healthy lifestyle. What do you think makes a lifestyle healthy?
A healthy lifestyle involves regular exercise, eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and getting enough rest. In today's fast paced society, mental well being is equally important, so managing stress and staying positive are essential too. It's also about avoiding harmful habits like smoking or excessive alcohol consumption.
Why do some people avoid healthy habits?
Some people avoid healthy habits because they find them inconvenient or time consuming. For example, junk food is often more accessible, and sedentary lifestyles are common due to work demands or lack of motivation to exercise. Additionally, some people may not fully understand the long-term benefits of healthier choices.
How can society encourage people to live healthier lives?
Society can promote healthy living by providing accessible parks, fitness centers, and affordable healthy food. Public campaigns to raise awareness about the benefits of good habits can also motivate people to adopt healthier routines. Supporting workplace wellness programs can further encourage employees to stay active and eat well.
What challenges might people face when trying to live healthily?
Challenges include lack of time due to work or family commitments, the high cost of organic or nutritious food, and limited access to safe spaces for exercise. Emotional factors like stress can also slow down progress. In addition, cultural or peer pressure may make it harder to stick to healthy choices.
How do cultural traditions influence people's health habits?
Cultural traditions can have both positive and negative effects. For instance, traditional diets are rich in natural and whole foods. This can definitely promote good health. However, some cultural practices, like heavy feasting, may encourage overeating or unhealthy food choices. The influence of family or community traditions often shapes these habits deeply.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.